Hello friends, welcome to all in my YouTube channel all about civil engineering by Praveen Mane. Today's topic for discussion is reconciliation of materials at RMC plant. So here, what is mean by here in this discussion we will study what is mean by reconciliation at construction project and why it is necessary. For that, first we need to do some theoretical background and then we'll go for the actual example. So here example I have selected RMC plant. So all civil engineering works invariably require various materials for incorporation and completion of work. These materials could be procured by the employer or the contractor. In some cases, the employer stipulates that certain materials would be issued by him and the contractor should quote for the work accordingly. In other cases, the employer may leave procurement of material to the contractor. In both the cases, the materials need to be accounted in the bills for payment. This is a very important function of quantity surveyor and executives. Non-reconciliation will result in delay in clearances of bills as well as recoveries as per the conditions of contract. Some organizations may stipulate recoveries for non-concealed material at penal rates of recovery. So here, to run site continuously without any delay, we require reconciliation of materials at construction project for every month, and we need to report it to the higher authorities or our company professionals. So in simple words, reconciliation means incoming of material at site is equal to outgoing or consumption of material at construction project, or case may be, or sometimes we will ship some material from site to site. So that record is also required to maintain at construction project. At construction site, it is necessary to maintain record of each and everything because it's a duty and roles and responsibility of site engineer for to avoid the the delay to work as well as conflicts between two parties. So to avoid the conflict, main reason for reconciliation to avoid the conflict, and also firstly will do quantity survey for proposed quantity survey. That is a material requirement. As far as that, will provide financial assistance to the project. To avoid delay in financial assistance or to maintain the regularity or continuity of the work, it is necessary to do the reconciliation at sites. Now let's see reconciliation of material at RMC plant. Here I have shown you different formats. Here I have prepared some formats for doing the reconciliation of materials at RMC plant. So here reconciliation of RMC plant has means the material received at RMC plant and the concrete produced supplied to outside construction site. That record is called as the reconciliation of material at RMC plant. So I have prepared Excel sheet also. If you want, you can contact me. So here first is the RMC division, that is the concrete batch plant bulk material reconciliation for the period up to, here you need to give the time. Then serial number, there are different columns A, B, C, D, E. The description, cement, fly ash, 20 mm aggregate, 10 mm aggregate, river sand, crushed sand and admixture. These are the requirement of RMC plant. So opening stock, then there are receipts. So whenever any material received at site or anywhere, it has some receipts that you need to maintain. Then consumption, then dispatch to other side. If you dispatched this to other side, you need to maintain a record of that. Then theoretical balance. Then A plus B minus C plus D, that is the theoretical balance. So A plus B minus C plus D means these two add and we'll deduct this, so we'll get the theoretical balance. Then physical stock will check. Then F minus E, then variation over receipts is equal to G into 100 divided by C plus D. Why this variation occurs, that I will explain in the next video. Then second format is date of productions. What type of production we have done at RMC division? We have made slurry or M10 concrete, M25, M25, 30 concrete, and their total for first April, total for first day of month to the last day of month, and total of slurry in the month, as well as total of all these M10 concrete, M20, M25 and 30 all days. Here if you add this, we will get the total for one day, and here we add this, we will get the total for whole month. Then concrete ingredient consumption report. This should be the necessary concrete ingredient consumption report. In that, serial number column is grade of concrete, that slurry M10, M20, M25, M35, any other you can add this row. Then cement required, 20 aggregate ingredient required per meter cube. So first is requirement we have calculated. Theoretically we can calculate the requirement, or as per design we can calculate the requirement. So we'll calculate the requirement. Then concrete production, how much concrete produced, how much this type of concrete produced, this type of concrete produced, will get here. And the ingredient consumed for that concrete. And then here total aggregates used, that is the 20 mm, 10 mm, river sand, crushed sand, whatever total used, whatever 20 mm aggregates used, 10 mm aggregates used, river sand used, crushed sand used, then cement used, admixture used, total we need to give here, whatever used. For this we don't require to give the total amount, but here we need to give total. Then next format is aggregate receipt for the month of aggregate received at construction site, 10 mm, 20 mm, river sand, crushed sand, that is the fine aggregate, and these are the coarse aggregates. So received for each day how much quantity is received at construction site, and total for the month we need to prepare by this way. Then cement receipts for the month of any month you can have. So here I have considered April month. So here April month, OPC 53 fly ash metric ton. In metric ton, how much metric ton they have received. So for the month we have to keep the record of cement received, any material received. Then RMC division concrete production report. This is the concrete production report. This is important. So for the month of April, May, June, July, August, then to the March 28, 21. So this 12 month, what will be the concrete production? That is slurry concrete production, M concrete, M10, M20, M25, M30. For each month we need to calculate. So this report is for the yearly report. This is yearly report. Monthly report, earlier I have shown you the format, same format is there. Then this is what the reconciliation as RMC site. So now we'll see Excel sheet for this. So here this is the first. Here we can add the formulas and then you can do here. So I have taken roughly these quantities. Then second one is the daily production report. Then ingredient report, then aggregate receipts report format, cement receipts format, and then monthly production total, and then monthly will get the yearly report. So this is what related with the reconciliation, and it is very much necessary at construction site. So Watch the video carefully to learn such type of basic things which a civil engineer required when he passes out from the or when he join the construction site. So if you like the video, please do share it and subscribe the channel for more such fruitful videos. Thank you for watching the video.